How does a seriously injured victim bring a car accident personal injury claim arising out of severe injuries they suffered in a car accident that occurred in Maryland, but the at-fault driver is from out of state? The answer is very simple. The injured victim needs to immediately consult and retain an experienced personal injury lawyer, file a lawsuit against the out-of-state at-fault driver, and go through the litigation process. For example, let's say the driver who caused the accident lives in New Jersey, but the accident happened somewhere in Maryland. Filing a lawsuit against that driver in a Maryland state court is what you were supposed to do because the accident happened in Maryland. It is critical that you immediately consult and retain an experienced personal injury lawyer because suing an out-of-state at-fault driver is a little more complex than if the at-fault driver lives in Maryland. If you have any questions regarding how an injured victim can bring a serious injury car accident claim, feel free to call me. I do this every single day and would love to answer any questions you may have. Thank you.
667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667 Law John, 667